And here we go again. It's been a minute, hasn't it? I've got a few more things to do, like I said. Just now getting around to it, at least a lot of it. Truck had to go back in the shop, at least it was supposed to. Got it back because they weren't doing anything to the damn thing, so here we go. We're going to start in. Last time I said we're going to clean out the back end, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Clean out this back end. Hopefully it won't be freezing while we do it. And then I got a couple of surprises. I got a big ass box. Got a few things in here we'll go through, but we're going to clean out the inside. Yep. We're going to scrub this thing good. Or as good as we can get it. What I need to do is get some covers on this doggone thing. Got a lot of cracks. Maybe this old seat. Try to protect this sucker as much as I can. See, got some rips on it. Look at the rip on that thing. Yeah. Bad. We got some other things bought. The top part isn't too bad. It's a little stained up after all these years, but it's not too bad. The liner. But we really need to clean this thing out. Clean it up good. Scrub it some. Need to get a power washer after this thing too. Hope the camera can pick it up. Look at this. There's oxidation on that doggone thing. Now, we're going to see what we can do. So that's for today. Then we'll get around to other things. But right now, that's for today. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Finally. See if we can get some of this done. Bought a new jack. Not the best in the world, but I need something because I got to do the front end work on it. So, first, let's see what we can do with this. Yeah. See what happens. I really think this is oil. Looks like it. Mix filter. Something. Casing anyways. It's a water separator. Okay. The tools that I find. this stuff is. A lot of trash, I know that. Okay. We use that probably. Donuts, yummy. Comb. Don't know whose that is. Hope the hell it's not mine. Well. See what we got in here. I have no clue. I have to try and find out what the hell that is. Alright, let's see. Oh, some kind of scissors. Never seen scissors like that. Oh, that's the plate for this. To get one of those on. Hooks. Snaps. Oh yeah, tools. Not gonna get rid of those. Not gonna get rid of the tools at all. So those can always be cleaned up. Oh, look at that one. Little tiny thing. Ah, look at that one. Like a treasure in here. Oh. Team pack. Connections. Well, I think there's enough screwdrivers in our life. No, don't want that tape. Here, another one. Oh, adapter. Look at that. More. And here's another one. Yeah, I think I can throw that away though. Unless I'm not mistaken, I can throw that away too, because I don't know where the heck it came from. Which one it goes on. Still a little junk, but we can get her out. Oh, There's another one right here, but it's all boogered up. Look at that thing. We'll keep it just in case. Alright. More goodies. More goodies. Crap. This ain't even mine. Stuff's got in it though. Woo! Budweiser. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Budweiser. Get out of here and I'll get that stuff out of there. Woo, it's nasty. Alright, but there's our haul right now. Tool shed back there. Get rid of it. This is not worth crap. I gotta clean it out also. But anyways, this is what we got going so far. And there we go. Got that part cleaned out. As you can tell, I need a handle. I'll have to get me one of those. Order one. Get that put in. These things. Got to take the tires off. See about the ABS system. I think it's the sensor. At least I'm hoping that's what it is. Got to do front end work. Got to put on upper and lower ball joints. Tie rods. All kinds of stuff in here. Got to do both sides. But I'll get to it. Next thing though is right in here. Clean this up. So, I want to thank you. And I'll see you next time.